Carex's folding aluminum underarm crutches are designed with portability and foldable convenience in mind, while still delivering the common comfort features users expect from underarm crutches. The product page highlights lightweight anodized aluminum construction with full height adjustability across a range that suits most adults. The listing commonly gives fit guidance from around 4 feet 11 inches up to 6 feet 1 inch, padded underarm cushions, washable cushion covers, and ergonomically shaped hand grips to reduce hand fatigue. A standout specification for this Carex model is the folding mechanism. The crutches collapse for compact storage and travel, a helpful feature if you plan to carry them on trips, store them in tight car trunks, or stow them at work. The foldable design includes secure locking elements so the crutches remain rigid in use yet fold neatly when not needed. Customer ratings on the listing tend to be favorable, with many users praising the lightweight feel, the convenience of folding for travel, and the value for money compared to non-folding options. Walkers who prioritize easy transport and storage often highlight the Carex pair as a practical trade-off between portability and performance. On the flip side, some reviewers note that folding mechanisms require a bit more attention regularly to ensure latch integrity and that extremely heavy users should verify weight capacity, commonly around 300 pounds for similar aluminum crutches. Overall, the Carex folding crutches suit anyone who wants adjustable underarm support but needs to minimize bulk when the crutches are not in active use. We share by links in description box.